Hi, everyone. Oh my goodness, it is Wednesday, January 17th, 2024, already 17 days into the month. And anyway, I am thinking of you all and how fun to connect with you from sunny Arizona, whereby many of you are in snowstorms or below freezing weather. Anyway, I am just thinking about you. I've got a lot of things on my mind, and I thought, why not just pop on really quick? And so, yeah, what's your 2024 word or phrase of the year? You know, I have been noodling on that. I was set coming into this year with that understanding after a big 2023 year. Gosh, lots of life lessons, personally, professionally, lots of exciting um, celebrations and some hard things that I went through last year as well. And so, what I realized is that there was so much going on last year. And I knew it was a season of change because, as a woman of faith, by the way, I believe in the divine. I believe in the guidance of God and the Holy Spirit, to be quite candid. And I knew things were changing. Last year, one of the words that could characterize last year would be preparation. And so, I feel like I have been prepared in a lot of ways, even being prepared as I was coming upon some very significant losses in my life. And so this year, I'm really going to be synthesizing a lot of what I learned last year. It's like, oh my gosh, I need to take this class of 2023 all over again. Just the learnings, the tests, the trials, the growth, the celebrations, the beauty of the year. Yeah. So anyway, I know that my word, very surely, my word or my phrase, I should say, is purpose and alignment. Purpose and alignment. And by the way, courage is the icing on top. Last year, I learned so much through the lessons, through lived experience, through trials and some overcoming. But I learned so much about trust was a big word, courage, and what it means to be courageous and to walk through difficult conversations. Forgiveness was another word that, gosh, boy, without forgiveness, folks, do you find that you just don't have like the fullness of creative capacity to live out your dreams or to accomplish tasks or goals that are important to you? Forgiveness was a big one last year. And so as we are in the middle of January 2024, I realized that, yeah, purpose and alignment and courage. And isn't it no coincidence that I found a picture that as I was going through my camera roll, I came across a picture that said, for as long as I have breath, let me speak with impact. And I posted that right after I was the co-MC for the South Sound Magazine Women to Watch event, which was spectacular in September. As long as I have breath, let me speak with impact. I don't know, but I have a feeling that this is going to be a year of speaking with impact. There are just messages that need to be told, stories that need to be shared, invitations for you to share your story for many reasons, for healing, for hope, for overcoming, for helping you to step into your purpose and your potential, for being a light, for others when perhaps their light is dim. Stories and messages. Gosh, I am not the same woman in 2024 as I was in 2023. And so I look forward to seeing what this year holds, and I look forward to seeing what this year holds for you as well. That's it. What's on my mind right now. And I just wish you well. I wish you a fantastic, phenomenal, experiential, and transformational, actually. I wish for you a transformational year ahead. And let's journey together. All right. Bye for now. Have a beautiful night.